Hey everybody, welcome back to day 13 of our 14-day watercolor challenge. So today, no pencils. We're going straight in with paint today. It's freeing and fun and back to easy after yesterday with no dry time involved. For me, keeping it simple is trees. So I used a few different colors, tried to throw in some shading, but you can paint anything you want for this challenge. Just pick up your brush and paint. And don't forget to paint joyfully and have fun. There, we did it, straight in with paint, and look how confident you become. You've completed 13 days. Yay! Only one more to go. So we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.